Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. If you're looking for a super fun activity, indoor or outdoors, then look no further than this flying orb ball from TikTok. So, right out of the box, we started learning how to throw the orb back and forth. You're not even quite throwing it, you're almost just letting it glide out of your hand across the room. And it's just so cool because there's no more rules about not throwing ball in the house. You can use the orb in the house, let it glide around, and I don't worry about it breaking anything because it's just kind of gliding. It's not like it's hard and gonna break something. The kids also loved using it kind of like a top on the ground. It's really nice the way it just kind of spins, and in the dark, it looks super cool. You can imagine with these lights, it's just kind of electrifying and it makes playing with it even more fun. I really enjoyed playing with it even alone and just letting it float above my hand. It's a little tricky at first, and so as you get the hang of it, it's so fun. And I definitely say you could play with this all by yourself as well. My husband learned the boomerang method also. And all of these things are pretty easy to pick up. It's just so much fun figuring it all out. Everyone in the family loves it. I think your family will too, but that's just my point of view.